Thank you for this token. Tomorrow when I stand at the pulpit at Capitol at CCBC, I'm going to show this to the congregation. And this, yes, definitely. And this should remind us always in our partnership in the gospel, especially of bringing the gospel among the deaf people here in the Philippines and in many places around the world. I still remember at that time when Gloria visited our place, our church facility. Her representative knocked on our doors and asked, can your church, can you give us a space for which a deaf community could gather here and do ministry here? It was a strange request when I first heard it, because the way I hear it back then, they're saying it means that it is not us who will minister to you, you just want to use that place. And then the answer was yes. Back then I don't understand what she was saying, but the thing that the Lord gave in our hearts was this: we love our neighbors. We open our doors to them. And if they follow Christ as well, we'll be hospitable to them. And that began the partnership of the deaf community, or the graduates under this deaf school, coming to CCBC, bringing in the deaf people, and the ministry there flourish. And the people in blue here, you see they are part of those who come regularly, gather weekly at CCBC, and they continue to make disciples. And you know what? In the Saturday group that we have, there are many deaf people coming from other countries attending. How do they do that? It is the beauty of the Zoom technology. When they come, join the group in prayer and in worshiping the Lord as well. And when I begin to hear what they are doing, and I heard today a brief statement of the philosophy of ministry of Miss Coriel. Then I saw what the students of this school have truly been doing. They were focusing on teaching others and raising people who will teach others as well on the ways of Jesus. And you know what? That is also the core value of CCBC, to which this deaf community in blue is part of. So together now, we will be partners, and we will continue to be partners, like those four friends who brought the paralyzed man and dug through the roof so that the paralyzed man could find Jesus. CCBC will continue to be partners with all of you, with this deaf group, deaf association, in bringing the gospel among the deaf here in the Philippines and even in other places. May the Lord be honored with his partner.